a 1989 Toyota LandCruiser FJ62 four-door truck. This FJ62 has 8,496 original miles. It has a 3F 4.0 liter inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive and it does come with 4 doors. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Alright, as y'all can see, they do go away. Alright, I'm going to point out that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So the number y'all are seeing up here, 13,675, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 8,496. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle.
Some of them a little worse than others. That one's too bad.